Hi, are you bored of your classic yellow mustard? Then you should try our new brand. It's called fridgy mush fridge, which may contain nuts, lots of nuts. We've got another person that we're going to interview. Let's take it over to Harriet. Yeah, so I mix in our fridgy mush mustard. Well, it's like fridgy mush fridgy, but you mix it in with my vegetables and it tastes right nice, it does. It tastes right nice, it gives it that extra like flavour, doesn't it? Our last interview of the day is a 70-year-old lady named Cullen. So what do you think about our mustard?
I really like it. Sometimes even mix the mustard in with my tea.
That is sick. So, have you learned our lesson today?
Of course, always be sure to pick up a can of fridgy mush fridge.
That's right, guys. Don't go for the yellow classic mustard. Go for the fridgy mush fridge.